this video, I'll show you how you can fix the missing desktop icons on your Windows PC. Now there's two ways that you can do this. The first one is if you accidentally hit it. If you press right click, go to view and make sure you activate show desktop icons. Now when I activate this, you'll see they'll come back and they can also hide again. So that's one way that you can do it. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can try is right click on your screen, go to personalize. From in here, what you want to do is come down to themes, go to desktop icon settings, and from in here, make sure that you enable these if you're missing them. So let's say you cannot find your recycle bin, make sure you check this one, and then it will be on your desktop, like you can see right here. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's really simple, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.